Good morning, everybody. See, it's 5 a.m. you guys. Well, it's 5:21. I lied. We are bound to Washington, D.C. I'm going to meet with the president. I'm going to Washington, D.C. to get my dual citizenship, and of course, slash going around, you know, wandering around Washington, D.C., this kind of stuff. Before that, let me just go ahead and get dressed, right, honey?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll see you later. We are arrived here in Washington, D.C. and now we're going to their train area on our way to our hotel.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat.
So we are walking to our hotel because we're just like right around the corner from, what do you call this? From Metro DC, which is their train here. And yeah, we're just like walking in the park early this morning, and it's pretty good out of here. And now let's just wander around DC.
But don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn.
And that's our hotel. Okay, you guys, since it's very early, we cannot check in. Not until this afternoon. Now we're gonna go around and wandering around here, what they have here, this kind of stuff. And yeah, let's go to the museums and stuff. Maybe the White House, because you know, I came here 4 years ago and I forgot everything, and back then that was very like chilly, so I was like bundled up. So today, let's just go ahead and let's meet the president. So that was a treasury department, honey. What's in there? Money. So I was like, I need to fuel it up, you guys. I got me this fancy caramel, salted caramel stuff that I didn't even understand. In my cheap taste, this doesn't really exist. You know, doesn't say it tastes like sugar. So yeah, but it's good because it tastes like sugar, I'm saying. So let's go, babe. Let's go to the other side. We are walking towards the White House, you guys, and it's not much a lot of people, which is I like, you know, very calm and easy. So let's go. Thank you for my best husband of the world for assisting. Thank you, babe. Restricted area, do not enter, because we might get shot, you know what I'm saying? Babes, I was wondering why people are inside and why I'm here outside.
Probably doing tours.
How much it costs for the tour?
I have no idea.
I want to go inside. I think it's expensive, so I think let's just be out of here because it's free. I am looking for the perfect spot where to take selfie, okay? Oh, I found it, you guys. Check this out. It's a White House. Unfortunately, they will have this construction thing, so that's the White House, you guys. It's very far. Here's the closer look. 4 years ago, there's so many tourists here. I think I like this better because now it's not too crowded, not so many people that you're trying to raise, you're taking pictures. But the good thing about that time though is like, what do you call this? You can see the White House. There's no construction stuff going on.
They're building a new one.
Oh yeah, so they're building a new wall. They're building a new fence. Just joking. So yeah, let's go to Washington Monument because I felt like we come here for the monuments. Okay. Saka makakitag pulis nga ng habayo sa Amerika ra, o diba? Bongga. Yes, we are here at the Washington Monument. I mean, woohoo, right there. But we need to keep going because it's going to be a long road. Oh my God. And like behind me, you guys, you see that? That is a helicopter, yo. They're trying to protect my beauty. Charot. I'm gonna let Dustin take my picture real quick. I'm saying so, yeah. We made it to the monument and I didn't make myself at home. That's a lot of walk. And later we're gonna go to the other side. And yeah, so we are here at the World War II monument, right babe? I'm gonna go over there and take a shower. Let's go. Bye, Dustin. I'm going to soak my foot. So I've been walking the whole day today pretty much. So I need to soak my feet. Oh my God, this water is very cool. It feels so good. Oh. So you guys, I'm gonna show you the Manila Luzon sign, which is we have it here, and I want Dustin to take me a picture. So the photo shoot is done, and then we're on my way to my grandpa. I'm gonna visit him. How is he doing? Let's go. We're going to Lincoln Memorials. So you guys, this is not a pool, okay? What do you call this, honey? Oh, it's a pool. This pool looks green. It's called as a reflecting pool because you can see the reflection. But now let's go to my grandpa. Oh my God, yo. Hit a backflip right there. That is adorable. Oh my God. That is cute. Here we come, Grandpa. Just kidding. Last stop, this is it. A lot of tourists here. And I felt like this is a very busy place. Because the last time we came here, there was like raining, but still a lot of people. And today, there's still a lot of people. I hope my contour is still on. Han, is my contour still on?
I think. Sure.
Oh, we're almost there. Hi everybody, so we are here at our hotel at Residence Inn. This is a cute place. My foot hurts. This is a room tour, you guys. So here we have pull-up couch. We have a 2 huge windows. Perfect. We have fully furnished kitchen. Is this fully furnished? We'll see what they have here. Oh, perfect, it is. Dining set. And then here, I just love that all of the windows like are very big. Here is a standing shower, which is one of my favorite. And here where you can wash your hands and your face and your mouth. And this is a nice, beautiful room. I like that. A very soft bed and their cute TV. Whew, you guys, it has been a long day, and I guess that's it for today's video. I just want to show you guys our room where we stay, you know, a little bit of this monument. And unfortunately I can't walk that far anymore because my shoes is hurting my foot. It's crazy. So yeah, when you come here to Washington, you need to have a nice cute shoes. I mean comfy shoes. And yeah, and now I think we're gonna go get some lunch. And I felt like my stomach really messed up with that Starbucks that I had earlier today. Too much milk and too much sugar for me. But anyways, you guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like it, and if you do like it, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and let's be friends, because why not? And I'll see you again in my next video. And yeah, bye bye.